Welcome to Star Biker, your trusted place for quick and clear motorcycle updates. Today we're exploring the 2026 Honda Shine 125, a commuter bike designed for riders who want reliability, comfort, and everyday efficiency. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 keeps its clean and practical design while adding sharper body lines and refreshed graphics. The chrome touches, modern headlamp, and well-balanced proportions give it a premium look without losing its commuter-friendly character. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine, the Shine 125 delivers smooth acceleration and consistent performance for city and highway use. Honda's engineering ensures low vibrations, better throttle response, and dependable power for daily rides. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Shine's biggest strengths. The 2026 model is expected to offer excellent mileage, making it a perfect choice for riders who want to save on fuel while still enjoying a comfortable ride. Ride comfort and handling. With a well-tuned suspension and upright riding posture, the Honda Shine 125 offers a relaxed and stable ride. Whether on busy streets or longer commutes, it provides good control and a comfortable experience. Features and technology. The 2026 Shine 125 comes with updated features such as a modern instrument cluster, improved braking system, and enhanced safety and convenience for daily riders. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 continues to be a strong option in the commuter segment, combining trusted Honda reliability, great mileage, and improved styling. For riders looking for a smart, efficient, and dependable motorcycle, this bike remains a top choice from Star Biker.